Hey, it's Chad with Shire. This video is to explain to you our process when it comes to building your new deck. First, we will demo your existing deck if you have one. Once that's out of the way and we have a clean slate, we will dig the footers. Footer depths vary for different municipalities, but typically here in Pennsylvania, they will be a minimum of 3 foot or 36 inches deep, with a minimum of 9 inches of concrete at the bottom. Some companies, including Shire, use sonotubes filled with concrete the whole way to the top. This is a great option if you plan to install some sort of patio under the deck in the future. Footers are laid out based on the deck building code, beam size, and joist size. Once the footers are dug and concrete is set, we install the posts that will support your deck. The main portion of your deck will always be supported by 6x6 lumber or steel supports. 4x4s should never be used to support your main deck structure. If your deck is attached to your home, we then install a ledger board with proper fasteners and spacing and ensure that the ledger is flashed. Flashing consists of metal or plastic that is taped behind the wall and prevents water from running behind the ledger board and rotting it out. If the deck is freestanding, we simply move on to the next part. Next, we will mark and cut the posts for the beam. The beam should be seated on the posts, whether with a bracket or notched and through bolts installed. The beam should be properly spec'd to the deck building codes. Once the beam is set and solid, we then put the joists in place. If these are attached to the side of the ledger or beam, we install hanger brackets to support them. The majority of our builds are installed with a drop beam where the joists sit on top of the beam. The joist size is determined by the deck building codes. Be sure not to use the wrong size or your deck will bounce. Now that the main framing is complete, we will install 4x4 posts for your railing. 4x4 posts should never be notched. This lowers the strength of the post and is forbidden by the building code. If you have a set of stairs on your deck, we will custom cut the stringers for the stairs. Be sure to use the correct number of stringers per the decking manufacturer's recommendations. This completes the framing portion of your new build. Now you will get to see the exciting part, which really brings your deck to life. Decking. At Shire, the majority of our decks are composite or PVC, and with these types of decks we use hidden fasteners. Decking comes in a variety of colors and materials. Once all the decking is complete, the railing can be installed. Railing also comes in a variety of options as well. Our number one pick is vinyl railing. Now that the railing is complete, it is time to install trim or fascia board and to fix any other minor items associated with the build. There are plenty of other options that can be installed on a deck. Lighting, pergolas, and built-in seatings are just a few of those options. As always, give us a call to schedule your free estimate, and let's get that outdoor living space ready for your next party.